In this lecture, we're going to look at the tool Dynamic Mirror Entities. So let's go on the front plane and let's create a sketch. Like this. Now let's go here and let's go with a center line from the origin. Let's go up here like this. Now let's choose a line. Let's create some sketch. For example, like this, something. And this is it. And now we want to create the same sketch, but on the right side of this center line. And for that, we can use mirror entities. So we can go with mirror entities. We can choose here entities. We can go, let's choose this line and this line, and we can go here, mirror about. Let's choose this center line and okay. And this is it. So this is how you can use mirror entities, and we showed that in the previous lecture. But now we're going to look at the dynamic mirror entities. If you don't have this tool here, you can go to the search comment and you can type here dynamic, and you will find here dynamic mirror entities, and you can drag here and you can put it here. Now let's delete this sketch, this one and this one. Now let's turn on dynamic mirror entities. Let's see how this works. So first we have to select a sketch line or linear model edge to mirror about. So we're going to select this center line. And now we can choose a line and we can start creating our sketch. Let's go here like this. And now we can see that automatically this line is created on the right side of this center line. So whatever I do here on the left side automatically is shown on the right side as well. So let's go here like this, down, let's go vertical, and let's finish here like this, and let's click OK. So this is how dynamic mirror entities works. So you turn on the tool, you only have to choose a center line for mirror about, and you can create a sketch on the one side, and automatically sketch will be created on the other side. So this is how you can use dynamic mirror entities. If you want to turn off this, just click here, and now you can work in a regular sketch mode.